Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -8. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has suffered a loss of 39.59%. This equates to an average loss of 1.98% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of -17.33% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -17.33% to 67.40%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -11.57%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 43.04% to 90.91% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $392.42 and $523.77. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline: significant fluctuations in UnitedHealth Group stock price on Thursday, moving 11.16% between high and low. UnitedHealth Group stock price decreased by 10.93% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, dropping from $308.01 to $274.35. This marks the 8th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 11.16%, with a daily low of $248.88 and a daily high of $276.65. In total, the price has declined in 9 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 31.53% over this period. Trading volume rose by 83 million shares on that day, though this occurred amid falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting a slightly increased risk in the coming days. Overall, 119 million shares changed hands, valued at approximately $32.53 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $630.73, while the lowest price stood at $248.88. Currently, the stock price sits 56.5% or $356.38. below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. UnitedHealth Group shares experienced a significant drop today, falling nearly 19%. This decline reflects a market reaction to a Wall Street Journal report about a criminal investigation by the Department of Justice into alleged Medicare fraud. This news comes just one day after the abrupt resignation of CEO Andrew Whitty, which has raised concerns about leadership stability and future performance. Furthermore, the company has retracted its financial guidance for 2025, which it had issued only a month ago, signaling further uncertainty ahead. These developments are compounded by ongoing legal challenges, including a pending securities class action lawsuit. Analysts like Michael Hoff from Baird maintain a cautiously optimistic outlook on the company. However, it is evident that the current climate poses significant risks to UnitedHealth's stock price, both in the short term and potentially in the long term, as regulatory scrutiny may impact business operations and profitability. As the company faces these mounting challenges, its stock price is nearing a 5-year low, which is a troubling sign for investors. The long-term implications could shift investor sentiment, as concerns regarding compliance and operational integrity weigh heavily on UnitedHealth's market valuation. The combination of leadership turnover, legal inquiries, and market confidence peels back layers of instability that directly affect share performance. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, May 14, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned UNH an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, May 14, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned UNH a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, May 13, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned UNH an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, April 22, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned UNH a hold rating with a downgrade action. On Monday, April 21, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned UNH a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have provided a general neutral rating for UnitedHealth Group stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have assigned the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, also known as the MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The UnitedHealth Group stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the case of upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $347.11 and $460.60. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, April 11, 2025, and thus far, it has decreased by 54.23%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Consequently, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 16 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With an extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $27.77 between its high and low points, representing an increase of 11.16%. In the previous week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.36%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at $6.28. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $308.01. if you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 1st of April, 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, John H. Noseworthy conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Frederick William McNabb III conducted an insider purchase of 183 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Paul R. Garcia conducted an insider purchase of 60 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Paul R. Garcia again conducted an insider purchase of 108 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 55.671. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 273,529 shares and sold 70,439 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group presents several negative indicators and is currently experiencing a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overpriced. For trading on Friday, the 16th of May, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open lower by $7.72, beginning at a price of $266.63. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.